if we keep on taking fresh water from nature, from the Sea of Galilee or from the Euphrates, for example, we will eventually ruin the local environment. We are standing where we can learn the first lesson of we can't exploit all the water the way we want to. We need to take care of nature as well, or else we will all sink with it.
Manufacture more water in the Mediterranean, produce renewable energy in the desert areas, and create healthy interdependencies amongst us, Israelis, Palestinians, Jordanians first, or we're going to see potentially more conflict arising out of these increasingly scarce water resources.